Once again, welcome to literature students, BA part second semester third subject English literature. In last video, we learned chapter third, the short story, and in this chapter we learn part first. Today or now we are going to learn part second of this chapter third, the short story. So here many writers wrote short story. So these writers or information of these writers we are discussing here. So firstly here is Kipling wrote short story. Kipling wrote a short story Kim. So that is a very famous Kim short story. So Kipling, Gedi, Montfort, Chekhov set example in short story writing. After that, they influenced writers like the Catherine Mansfield, Ernest Hemingway, and William Thoreau. Kipling, this writer wrote short story on Indian subject. So here is Ernest Hemingway, also famous writer. He wrote many short stories. After that, H.G. Wells applied imagination of scientific discovery. So H.G. Wells wrote on the short story on scientific themes or scientific themes. So his short story related with science fiction. After that, Sir Arthur Conan Doyle wrote the world famous Sherlock Holmes. The both writer wrote the short story Sherlock Holmes, and Sherlock Holmes is a famous short story. Son 19. So now here we are discussing about 19th century or 1900 means beginning of 20th century. So here is John Galsworthy, Joseph Conrad, D.H. Lawrence, Aldous Huxley, Jeff Joyce wrote memorable short stories. These writers are famous and they wrote the memorable short story. There are the famous short stories. After that, Valle de la Mere, E. Coppard, H.E. Bates have written several stories will continue form long and meet the demand of author and reader. So after that also Valle de la Mere wrote short story. He was famous short story writer. So here have written several stories will continue form long and meet demand of author and reader. It will also find new material for plot, character and setting. So these new writers they find out the new material of the plot, character and setting. That's why they wrote short story in new angle or in new idea. So here this short story chapter has been completed. So here we discuss about whole. So it is a very important part exam point of view. So now we are going to learn about long answer question, very short answer question and short answer question. So firstly see here long answer question. So answer the following question is about 100 words. So we have to write 100 words, means near about 2 pages. This question is asked to you short answer question. So what is question? What is a short story considered a comparatively recent development? So here we have to write answer of this question. So here is what is the recent development of short story. So this point you have to write. That's why there is a question is what is short story considered a comparatively recent development. So you write, and already we discussed about structure points. After that introduction, through or to take the depend of them or support of them, these points, and you write the answer of this question. So remember. Another question is explain why short story has become very popular in the modern time. So we have to explain or we have to write answer why short story is very popular in the modern era. So already we discussed. You take the names of the writers like Kipling, Getty Montfort, Choco, Catherine Mansfield, Ernest Hemingway, and William Shorrock. Also H.G. Wells, John Galsworthy, Joseph Conrad, D.S. Lawrence, Aldous Huxley, James Joyce. So these are famous writers, and you write information about this writer. Here there is also Joseph Conrad. He also famous writer. He wrote also many short stories, and basically he wrote on the short story on African society, and basically on the there is a ivory problem. Many elephants were killed for ivory business. So this writer is a very famous Joseph Conrad writing about it. So these are the long answer question as well as short answer question. So you remember. Now we are going to discuss about very short question and answer. So let us see. First very short question and answer is mention the name of the two 20th century short story. So here we discuss about many short story writers. So you write only two names for the 2 marks. So like here is a Galsworthy, Lawrence, Huxley, Joseph Conrad, after that Kipling. These are the 20th century writers. So here is a Galsworthy, Lawrence and Huxley are the well-known writer of 20th century. So second question is who started short story writing in England? So here the answer is R.L. Stevenson started short story writing in 19th century in England. So the answer is the R.L. Stevenson. So you remember. Third question is write two characteristics of short story. So here is the characteristic or features you have to write. In short story there is the economic of words. Yes, already we discussed. Means writer use misappropriate words like the economic, like the money. Every word and every phrases is the picking up very carefully. The carefully they use the phrases also. So these two characteristics of short story. Here we learn the many characteristics of short story. Here you have to write only two short characteristics of short story for 2 marks. And last question is who are the world famous short story writers? So answer is Rudyard Kipling, Getty Montfort, Choco and Ernest Hemingway are the world famous short story writer in English. So that is answer. So you write properly. So in this way, this chapter third, the short story has been completed with question answer. So like here we completed whole syllabus of English literature in this video section or online videos. So we completed here like first unit Essays of Wisdom. There we discuss about the Trumpet Club, Dream Children, Third Thoughts, The Rule of the Road, On Good Resolution and My Fortune. After that we learn about the guide written by R.K. Narayan. Also we are learning the novel on online class. There 3 online class have been completed on the novel guide. After that we learn handbook of literary terms. So there are the 8 literary terms. So you study of the only 5 literary terms out of the 8 of exam point of view. And after that we learn a background to study of the English literature. So here we learn chapter first, it is based on the essay. Chapter second, it is the novel, and chapter third, it is the short story. Like that, whole syllabus has been completed here. So also next video we will revision of the syllabus of there is any difficult point, any important point, necessary points or material we discuss properly day by day in the next video. Thank you.